Pocket Altoids fire stove. This is my little prototype here that I've been working on for a couple years now. It's pretty cool. It's pretty small and it fits right in the Altoids can. You can see here I got a pencil sharpener and a little mini Bic lighter with waxed candle wick wrapped around it. And the stove itself is basically these 4 little stainless steel credit card sized pieces of metal here, and I used a Dremel tool to cut along the edges here so I can make them fit together. And the original idea was to make it to where they could fit on the lid of the Altoids tin, and then have the edges lock in around it to kind of give it a little bit of airflow. But I've also noticed that if you just dig a little hole sort of underneath the stove, it works a little bit better. But also I think the ultimate way to make this even better is to drill holes, little air holes around each side of the stove just to give it more airflow. But yeah, this is a pretty cool little DIY fire stove that you could put together here, and it works just fine. And this was the original idea that I had for it, and maybe cut a little hole in the side so I could feed sticks into it. But yep, these are basically just credit card sized little I don't know if they called them business cards or what, and I can't remember where I got them. I want to say I got them off of Amazon. They came in like a pack of 10 or 20. That's basically what these are. And I used the pencil sharpener to get little wood shavings because it's so easy. I use these all the time. Fill it up, and I'll get my little lighter here and just kind of stick it right underneath the stove and light everything on fire. And it seems to work pretty well. I think for a little tiny fire stove that fits into an Altoids tin, it's a pretty good little idea here. But yeah, my workaround right now is I just kind of dig a little air hole underneath if I got this on the ground. Or instead of using the tin, you could just place these on 4 little rocks as little cornerstones and do it that way. But yep, that's pretty much it. I can try to weigh them to see how much they weigh. Let's see here, ounces. We'll do all 4 of them. So the entire stove is about 2.3 ounces. So these are stainless steel, just pieces of metal that fit inside perfectly in the Altoids tin here. But yep, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.